Down to qualifying, number one. Okay, they all stand up well. Almost set to go. Tapes are back and they're away and racing now. It is she, stepped away okay, a little bit slow, but got away okay. So best to begin on the outside is Macy Supreme. Takes up the front running from Artigo Turbo. It is she getting going nicely along the inside from Philadelphia Man, and galloping back at the rear is Tara Tom. Clear leader is Macy Supreme now as it goes into that bottom tier by about 10 or 12 metres. It is she's got into a clear second spot from Philadelphia Man. Then comes Artigo Turbo. And a long way back to Tara Supreme in front by a length and a half to It Is She, then Philadelphia Man. We have to go back about 80 metres back to Tara Tom, who continues to make up good ground, getting up on the inside of Artigo Turbo. Well, the front three start to leave the back straight as they work towards the 400 metre mark. Macy Supreme in front by a length to It Is She. Philadelphia Man about 2 or 3 off the marker. Pigs Air about to make its move past the 400 metre mark. And then a fair way back to Tara Tom, and Artigo Turbo just getting past the 400. But Macy Supreme gets away from It Is She. On its outside it's Philadelphia Man, but into the straight though. And it's Macy Supreme in front by 2 or 3. Philadelphia Man continues to make up ground from It Is She. But it's Macy Supreme in front, been shaken up. Philadelphia Man coming quick on the outside now. Philadelphia Man goes up on the outside, and Philadelphia Man just nails it on the line from Macy Supreme back in a second spot. 3 or 4 lengths back to It Is She to develop its qualifying trial. Then a fair way back to Tara Tom, and Artigo Turbo back last.